welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how to remove stretch mark, how to get rid of that stretch mark. And if it sounds like what you are looking for, just keep on watching. Please, if I've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's just get straight to the video.
The first thing we need is our lemon. I just need 1 tablespoon of lemon. And I will just squeeze lemon into the cup because I don't really need much of this lemon. Just 1 tablespoon of the lemon.
Lemon will help to just brighten up that area that you have the stretch marks.
I think this one will give me the 1 tablespoon. So right now I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna bring the bowl to mix it. So the next thing we need for this is our sugar. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of grounded sugar. Just 1 tablespoon of grounded sugar.
Please don't forget to subscribe if I'm not subscribed already. Just like, share and comment.
If you don't have the grounded sugar, you can just grind your own. Maybe if you have the cubes, you can go ahead and grind the cubes and still use it. It will still work for you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Just hit that button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so the next thing we need now is our coconut oil. So guys, sorry, this is 1 tablespoon of sugar. So right now I'm gonna add coconut oil. I'm using organic coconut oil. When you're making your own, make sure it's organic coconut oil. So I'll add just 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Look at it. Because of the weather, it just block. Then I'll just add it. I'll melt it. I'll just melt everything. I'm gonna mix it together. For this thing to just work for you, just listen very well so that you will not make mistake when you are doing your own, so that when you do it, it will work so well for you. Just keep on watching. I'm gonna mix it with some things again. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So the next I'm gonna add now is the lemon. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of lemon. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lemon. And I'll mix everything together.
The only key for this remedy is consistency. It works so fast. Within some days, you will see the results.
Cheers, guys. Just keep on watching. I'll tell you how to apply it. I have to mix it very well until everything is well combined. So I'll try to mix your own very well. To be just like this, can see how it is. Not too watery and not too So guys, after mixing all these things together, so you're gonna apply it where you have the stretch marks on. So you will start by, you will have to wash your hand and wash the area very well and dry it up. So what you're gonna do is just take a little bit of it and just massage it on the area you have the stretch mark. You make sure you massage it very well. Maybe like 15 minutes. Keep on massaging it. That area you have the stretch marks, just massage it very well. At least you do it twice a week. just massage the area where you get the stretch mark. Just massage it very well. Massage, make sure you just give it a thoroughly massage so that it will just blend in into your skin. Just this way. When you do it once, twice, you will start, it will see that place will just start clearing because of the lemon. You just, you know, start clearing a little bit by bit. Before you know it, you have to allow it for 15 minutes. Don't wash it out till 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, you can go ahead and wash it out, and you will see a little bit change. And if you do it properly, the way you're supposed to do it, you will see a change on that to work. Do it like 2 to 3 times a week. It will clear everything. Before you know it, everything will just clear out. Honestly, that is just how you just take off that stubborn stretch mark that doesn't want to go. Here comes the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Bye bye, guys. See you guys in my next video.